Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best pet stairs that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Petmaker Folding Plastic Pet Stairs. Do you need one great and convenient pet stairs you can carry with you wherever you go? This is the ultimate pet stair that allows for easy portability. You can easily fold the pet stair, hence provides reliable and convenient services. Apart from this, the pet stair has been made using the best durable and safe plastic material. This makes also simple to clean, hence the ideal selection for your pets. It can serve both medium and small pets since the stair can hold up to 120 pounds. This is great for different pets. It features the non-slip foam that is friendly to your floor beside protecting the pet. Moving on at number 4, we have Petgear Easy Step 2 Pet Stairs. The maximum weight of the pet stairs can hold is an important consideration when making the purchase. Here is a strong and multi-purpose pet stair that can accommodate up to 150 pounds. This makes it ideal for all pets. In addition to this, the pet stair is sophisticated since it has a classic tread that is easily removable. This makes it easy to clean whenever it gets dirty. Besides this, the pet stair features the deeper and wider stairs to allow landing for both big and small dogs. It is also very safe, and with the average weight, you can always move it from one room to the other. The pet stair is cost-effective despite the classic design and durability. At number 3, we have Dallas Manufacturing Co. Dog Stairs. For the best pet stairs that will serve your dog better and longer, this is an excellent pick for you. The dog stair is kind of unique and attractive. It has been designed using the quality cover that is removable. The stair will always stay safe on any kind of floor since it features a non-skid bottom. This makes it a highly versatile and reliable pet stair. In addition to this, the pet stair is lightweight and portable. This allows for more convenient services. It utilizes the Dura-Core technology. This aids in offering an incredibly dense that will provide the best support for your dog. It also withholds up to 150 pounds, making the ideal selection for all pets. At number 2, we have Zionist Step Easy Pet Stairs. The process of assembling the pet stair may at times be challenging. This is why it is recommended to find one that doesn't require assembly. The Zionist Step Easy Pet Stairs is one pet stair that will never cause you any trouble to assemble. The pet stair has been designed with quality and durable material, hence offers the longest term of service. Additionally, the pet stair is also spacious and will accommodate both small and big dogs. With a removable and washable cozy cover, maintaining the dog stair is very elementary. The cost of the pet stair is always affordable despite being one great choice. The interior foam is also very safe and has been certified by the CertiPure US. This makes it an ideal pick for all the pets. And finally at number 1. YoFit Doggy 3 Steps Pet Stairs. Are you in search for the best pet stair that will suit your small pet? This is the perfect pet stairs that suit all smaller pets. It holds about 70 pounds, hence great for both cats and small dogs. Secondly, the pet stair is very spacious, and with the large dimensions, it will always offer the perfect space for the dog or cat. Other than this, the pet stair features up to 3 steps. This will allow your dog to get to higher areas easily even in your absence. Since it has a removable and washable cover, it is always simple to keep clean. This is what every dog will always love. The price of this stylish and sophisticated pet stairs is budget-friendly. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.